Okay, I'm going to make a video. I do not like making videos like this, but I feel like I need to warn anybody who is actually thinking about looking at this company um, to don't, don't. If you're looking for um, an automobile lift, I purchased one from a company out of Texas called Stratus Auto Automobile Equipment. I think is the name of it. But anyway, they're out of Texas. Their lifts are gray and orange. And anyway, I purchased their top of the line, full rise, 12,000 pound scissor lift, clear path. You know, it's the one to have if you're wanting to buy a full rise scissor lift. As far as from Stratus, um, it is an import lift, which I knew that going into it. Bought it from the company and was known from the beginning, and the company knew this, that I would not be installing it right away. We are getting our shop ready. This is my office that we're in. I'm a car dealer in Lincoln, North Carolina, and I also sell Evolution EV vehicles. And this is Yes Man. You got your mic on?
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully our mics are coming through. But anyway, we are in the process of getting everything ready. We've been here almost not quite 2 years, or actually it is 2 years, but we've not had everything ready till probably a year ago. Is whenever we got really kind of underway to start selling everything. So anyway, um, this company is absolutely the worst of the worst when it comes to actual customer service. And customer service is something that no matter how bad your product is or how good your product is, customer service is something that the ownership of the company can make a difference on. If you've got a product that is bad, and the customer service is what makes the difference. You can have a bad product and still feel really good about the company. And I understand things happen, but anyway, we installed this lift, and there were some issues with the lift, and we did everything according to the instructions. What the instructions are absolutely horrible, the worst instructions. They must have taken the Chinese instructions and had a person who I guess really didn't understand lifts or wiring or anything like that, and had him try to convert it over to English. And just they're horrible. So anyway, I called the company, very nice, spoke to a very nice gentleman. He was like, "Yeah, let me transfer you over to technical assistance." I said, "Okay," which I was told whenever I get ready to install it, if I have an issue come up, then definitely contact them. They'll walk me through it, figure it out, because they don't offer installation. Oh, they tell you when you go to buy it, oh, there's plenty of people in the area that'll install it. Every person I contacted about install it didn't want to touch it. That's another red flag right there. So anyway, talked to the person yesterday, transferred me over to a lady, definitely a lady with um, an Asian American accent. And from the research I've done by reading reviews, that's the owner of the company. And she will try to twist anything that you tell her around to where it's your fault. Oh, you did this wrong. You did that wrong. Well, if I did it wrong, it wouldn't be working. She tried to claim that I hooked the lines up wrong. The lines are color coded. There's a red line on one end, red line on the end that you attach. You attach them together. There's a blue line, same way. Blue line on what you attach it together, and then yellow, same way. You can't attach it wrong unless you're just stupid, or they label them wrong. And they could have done that from the factory. Anyway, we ended up getting it resolved ourselves without any help from the company. But the lady told me she would not help me one bit on technical assistance on getting my lift working unless I paid her $300 an hour. I could not believe that. That's exactly what I did. I was like, come on, you're joking. $300 an hour. And that she was dead serious. She didn't help. She spent more time arguing with me about the $300 an hour that she could have just walked me through it and we would have fixed it. I mean, literally, I was on the phone. I wanted to waste her time as much as I could because I could tell she was all about money. And money is important when you own a business, but it's not everything. Having a good name and reputation out there is the most important thing. The money will follow that. And once this company realizes that, they might be a good company. But right now, I couldn't recommend them to my worst enemy to buy anything from. Stratus Auto Lifts is a crook of a company. They are to take your money, not offer you any assistance after that, unless you want to pay them $300 an hour. And I'm not talking about them coming out and doing the work. That is them talking to me over a video call. $300 an hour. I mean, there's a special place in you know where for her, and hopefully she can change her ways to change where she goes. But it's terrible, absolutely horrible. So anyway, I'm going to go out here and show you the lift. Picking up my stand here. So let's hopefully this follows us around. Let me turn this. We're new to this, so kind of bear with us. This thing is supposed to follow. I'm going to turn it and back up, and hopefully this thing will follow us around. But this is, let me tilt it down just a hair. This is the lift, and I'm going to go over here. Hopefully you're still hearing me. I'm going to show the lift. We got it working. We got it synced. We've got it to where it will function correctly. I've not put the covers over the lines or anything because we literally just finished this yesterday evening. But this is the lift. We've got them synced. I hope the noise isn't too loud for you. We've got it working correctly. And it is a very robust, very, I think, well-built lift. Hopefully I don't have any issues because I completely trashed them on a review last night. And I told her I was going to do it, and she didn't care. She said, you can pay me $300 an hour, and I'll help you. Or if you don't pay me anything. I said, what about the $10,000 I spent on the lift? She didn't care. Didn't care one bit. But anyway, I'll never do business with them. If this lift gives me problems, I'll uninstall it and I'll install another one. It's not about the money necessarily. It's about the fact that she didn't want to take care of an issue and didn't want to stand behind it other than me paying them $300 an hour to fix it. This is a full rise. You can put, I just put that Explorer on it earlier and it works. I mean, works exactly how it's supposed to. Okay. And they are locked. It is a good lift. I mean, it's very, very robust, very, much so, more so than mostly any other scissor lift that I'd come in contact with. And I do recommend the quality of the lift. I think it's good. But the people who own the company, who run the company, who make the company guidelines and everything, how you treat customers, absolutely horrible. So I hope this video finds them. I hope they love what I'm saying about them, and I hope you can sense the sarcasm. But anyway, that is my take on Stratus lifts. Do not buy anything from them. Absolutely horrible company, and I hope they go out of business.